of this shirt. You saw the price tag and you knew I just bought it.
Hey, come on, hey. Enough is enough. Look, I want you to go out and buy a new washer and dryer.
You know we can't afford that. Come on, there's just a pair of socks in there.
What are you doing?
Oh my God. Look at all this money. Hell, when did you hide this in here?
I don't remember. It must have been years ago.